student today.
Hariyom, Namaste, hi, Christa Clark with ChristaJClark.com for yoga and ArtisticVegan.com for some vegan recipes. And I wanted to give an update today to share with you that I have successfully completed week 3 of yoga teacher training for the 300-hour training here in Rishikesh at Divine Yoga Academy. And the academy I chose has been absolutely wonderful. The Swami, the teachers, the philosophy, the anatomy, it's just been fantastic. And the philosophy classes are really giving me tools to live in a state of acceptance and a state of here and now. Sometimes easier said than done, but overall I chose to be here. This is a dream of mine. I love yoga and I love learning more about how to do it and be a better teacher. So for me it's just been fantastic. I think in general it helps you go beyond your self-perceived limitations in terms of the asanas, but also in terms of showing up and doing the work and studying and trying to memorize, and not just memorize but learn new things. You guys kind of already know the schedule. I've already kind of gone over that and the day-to-day, so not much in that has changed. It progressively gets a little bit more intense each week, and now we're actually even meeting at 8 p.m. in the evening as well. And sometimes that's till 9 or 10 p.m. So it's full on right now. I think my favorite part is probably the philosophy and asking questions about how to navigate time and space, and asking questions, learning how to navigate our lives. What are we here for? What are our goals? And often we don't take time to sit and be with ourselves and ask these questions and see, are you happy with where you're going? And learning about the chakras and the nadis and the energy. Also, just obstacles in our life, from procrastination to addictions to, deference of power perhaps, or too much ego or too little. And just taking a pause in life to reflect on all of these things has really been fantastic. And I'm actually a little hesitant to just go right back into normal go and decide what does an ideal life look like, and how can I kind of try to figure that out, or maybe not figure that out, but live a more peaceful, contentful life, and also learning to be happy with everything that I do have. I'm extremely grateful to have this opportunity to be in India, to be able to take a pause. I know so many of us don't have that opportunity, and I did my previous yoga teacher training for the 200-hour online because of that, and there's nothing wrong with that. So there are options beyond going all the way to India, and I think we can use the tools that we have and do the best that we can. And ultimately, what most of these teachings are boiling down to is that we are divine, and that divine energy is within us, and we have forgotten, or the veil has been put in over us, and we're basically trying to open our eyes to what is already there. There's nowhere to really go, there's nothing to really do. We have everything we need, and it's just remembering that and coming home to ourselves, basically. I don't want to take too much of your time, but I would say, if you feel the call, then do the yoga training, and if you're able to go to India, then come. For me, it's vale la pena. It's absolutely worth it, and it's priceless. And I actually got tears of joy just the other day for the Swami, and for having these tools that I'm learning on how to deal with things in my life that I thought maybe I wouldn't know how to navigate or deal with, and actually coming to a more peaceful state of being inside and in my heart, which is fantastic and priceless. and things that felt very closed even when I came here are now opening up to a whole new level, and things are just flowing effortlessly and smoother and with less resistance and turbulence. And you know, for that, it's invaluable. And so I'm very grateful, and I'm learning how to cope with having lost my husband. I'm learning how to process that trauma, and instead, you know, look at the good that came from being with him and my soulmate, and learning from him, and you know, all the beautiful life lessons that I was blessed with in that, and yet still able to enjoy my life now apart from him not being here anymore. So I'm very grateful, and I'm excited for the future. I'm excited to share with you. I hope that you all are doing really well. I look forward to hopefully sharing some of these ideas with you in either podcasts or dialogues or other means and through yoga. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your energy. Thank you for being here. Starfire gold, discovered in Hathor's temple, was used by the Anunnaki to enhance their energy bodies and possibly to prolong their lives. Get your alchemical elixir of the Anunnaki today in many different shapes and sizes over at geraldclark77.com or artisticvegan.com. Thanks for being a customer. We love you so much. Bye.